Cotton is one of the most important commercial crops cultivated in Pakistan. It plays a major role in sustaining the livelihood of an estimated 5.8 million cotton farmers and 50 million people engaged in related activities such as cotton processing and trade. The Pakistani textile industry consumes a diverse range of fibers and yarn. In fact, cotton in today's fast-moving world is nature's wonder fiber. It provides thousands of useful products and supports millions of jobs as it moves from field to fabric. Handloom cottons are good plain weaves of simple lattice of closely placed yarn threads. There are several stages from the time the cotton seeds are planted to the time when the fabric is made ready. Let us trace this journey of cotton from seed to fabric. Planting. Planting can be done manually with easily available labor or by machine. The idea is to plant it even and neatly in rows. Mechanically planting is accomplished with 6, 8, 10, or 12 row precision planters that place the seed at a uniform depth and interval. Young cotton seedlings emerge from the soil within a week or two after planting, depending on temperature and moisture conditions. It takes about a month to a month and a half for the flower buds. Pollen from the flower stamen is carried to the stigma, thus pollinating the ovary. Over the next 3 days, the blossoms gradually turn pink and then dark red before falling off, leaving the tiny fertile ovary attached to the plant. It ripens and enlarges into a pod called a cotton boll. The fibers thicken for the next month, forming a hollow cotton fiber inside the watery boll. Bolls open 50 to 70 days after bloom, letting air in to dry the white, clean fiber and fluff it for harvest. Weed control. Weeds could grow faster and shade cotton seedlings in spring when the cotton plants tend to grow slowly. If so, it could alter the yield adversely significantly. Later in the season, cotton leaves fully shade the ground and suppress mid to late season weeds. For these reasons, weed control is focused on providing a 6 to 8 week weed-free period directly following planting. Insect management. When the cotton plant grows, as with other plants, it evolves with numerous damaging insects as well that feed on squares and bolls. This reduces the yield and leads to delays in crop development, often into the frost or rainy season. Some plants are improved by modern biotechnology, which causes the plant to be resistant to certain damaging worms. Other biocontrol strategies are also used. The more scientific approach of the cotton industry utilizes a multifaceted approach to the problem of insects. Known as Integrated Pest Management, IPM, it keeps pests below yield damaging. Irrigation. The cotton plant's root system is very efficient at seeking moisture and nutrients from the soil. From an economic standpoint, cotton's water use efficiency allows cotton to generate more revenue per gallon of water than any other major field crop. A limited supply of irrigation water is being stretched over many acres via the use of highly efficient irrigation methods, such as low-energy precision applications, sprinklers, surge, and drip irrigation. Harvesting. While harvesting is one of the final steps in the production of cotton crops, the crop must be harvested before weather can damage or completely ruin its quality and reduce yield. Harvesting is done by hand as well as by machine, where spindle pickers are used. Cotton pickers pull the cotton from the open bolls using revolving barbed spindles that entwine the fiber and release it after it is separated from the boll. Seed cotton storage. Once harvested, seed cotton must be removed and stored before it is delivered to the gin. Ginning. From the field, seed cotton moves to nearby gins for separation of lint and seed. The cotton first goes through dryers to reduce moisture content and then through cleaning equipment to remove foreign matter. The cotton is then air conveyed to gin stands where revolving circular saws pull the lint through closely spaced ribs that prevent the seed from passing through. The lint is removed from the saw teeth by air blasts or rotating brushes and then compressed into bales weighing approximately 500 pounds. Cotton is then moved to a warehouse for storage until it is shipped to a textile mill for use. Yarn production. Each processing stage in yarn manufacturing utilized the machine of specialized nature and provided quality effects in yarn production. Fabric manufacturing. Finally, different types of fabrics are manufactured from the yarn, like non-woven product, woven fabric, knitted fabrics, printed fabric, dyed fabric. These fabrics are cut, shaped, and combined to produce end product for final consumer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.